All right, y'all don't go far. Let me get my stuff together. We'll be right back. What's up, yo gang? Welcome back to the channel. Today I was feeling a little 7.62 by 39, so I thought I should bring these bad boys out. Here we have my Century Arm Dracos. They look a little different because they are different. Right here we have our standard pressed Draco. This is my mini Draco with the wood, of course. Like I said, it's just my standard Draco. And then on this side here, we have my milled Draco. First of all, let's just run this back. It's clear. Let's turn the safety on. Clear. Safety on. All right. All right, we said this is my standard Draco Mini. And we have my milled micro Draco. Yo, what is the milled and what is the standard? All right. The milled Draco, as you can see here, it is one solid piece. It's meaning that the material was not pressed to make the actual lower on this AK. It's one solid piece here. And my standard Draco, the actual material was pressed into the shape to go ahead and get the form for the lower. So that's the difference between the two. This one has an RLR handguard on it, and that's pretty much it. So we running out of daylight time. Let's go ahead and go inside and let off some shots. But before I go there, Yoke Gang, this is the black Yoke Gang t-shirt with the beautiful Yoke Gang logo in white. Make sure you check out yokegang.com to go ahead and get your t-shirt. Again, we went all the way to 6X. No discrimination here. Make sure you place your orders. Listen guys, I pack them myself. I fill out everything myself, and I take them to the post office for you guys myself. So your support is I'm highly grateful for your support. You guys know that, right? All right, so let's put these back in the bag and let's head inside. Give me one moment, I'll be right back. Alright, I know it ain't no Glocks in this video, but we sure got on them Perico Crocs today. I don't know if I mentioned, the milled Draco is a C39. I did explain to you what the micro Draco is a C39. And I did explain to you the difference between the two. Really can't get into too much detail. YouTube dripping. But yeah, that's the meat of the difference of the two. The milled being one solid piece, and the standard Draco is more of a pressed material to get it into the shape. But enough talking. Let's send these 7.62s down range. I haven't shot the Dracos in a minute, so I'm super excited. Don't go far. We're going inside. Just trying to get my earrings inside so my ears are properly protected. Let's go. Maybe I was not. Girl, knock, they ain't open the door. I pushed, the door didn't open. Why?
Squeeze.
Were you working already? Yeah. That's all right. So I got a lighter bone carrier there, but it's just what difference does it make? I didn't see it. I brought the gas smoother, a lot smoother, and it also should I brought the gas out. So it'll flow easier. Yeah, it's a lot lighter. Did you fix the gas again? Yeah. So I brought it out. Let's see out.
literally verbatim. And then the subsequent, now I feel like an American. Now get proper grip. Yeah, so that was that recoil So you'll just come up, grip, 1, 2. 1, 2. And think about how it feels, think about the recoil, think about how it's lining up the sights, how it feels in your hands, pulling the trigger. 2. Dead low. So now you're going to 4 white.
Now you take a sniper shot? So you take it for time?
Yeah, wait till you look. You ever looked through one of these?
No.
Wait. It is like this. Yourself from here to
So by the way, these colors are meant to give you more stress.
brand new, so I want to make sure it works. I just use my little I got all kinds of shit. Yeah.
Okay.
A couple hours. All right, so it's hot.
All right, I'm ready.
We're gonna move to 33.
Wow.
Go for the head. Oh yeah, she's gonna want an ACOG.
You just have to pull my thing out. That was
That's the clip. She's gonna want an ACOG. They're $1,000, 12.
It's really heavy. It's super sturdy. It is awesome.
12.5-inch barrel. You can't even buy it that way. That's why I made it.
Wow.
And you gotta put a brace on it.
Yeah, keep it heavy.
Because if it's a short barrel rifle, now you gotta wait a year for $200.
Yeah, I gotta see it go on. Hold on.
Yeah, bring it in. I hope you didn't make me look good.
You said it was shooting us low.
Yeah, it's shooting. And a little left, I bet.
2, 3, 4, 5.
And all I did was screw it on. It's not sighted. That's just
That's almost perfect.
right out of the box, yeah.
And it's pretty consistent too. So that right there.
That ex-Marine that's shooting long range and teaching me, you gotta start putting them on the red in here.
No, of course,
Yeah.
of course. But I mean, this will let you know. Okay, just need to go to the left. To the right. Just a little. Because it's pretty consistent where we're putting the crime.
Yeah.
You know.
And if you want to shoot it again later, you keep both eyes open. I don't know.
I've been trying to practice that.
Yeah, it's
And
hard.
It's almost a force of habit to close one eye.
Now I ordered an old one too. I found an old one on eBay. It's from the year 2000.
Okay.
About the year they started making them. And I like vintage old stuff. Like I got some old bullets from Israel
Oh, really?
from the 60s when I was born. So that's pretty cool. I just fermenting everything about this hobby.
Oh man,
Yeah.
it's so much. It's so much. This is why I like coming to the range. You meet new people, you meet great people, and I met him when I came in and made the Desert Eagle purchase, and we just hit it off.
This is just for the video. It was destiny, but my wife won't mind that.
Okay, well, we gotta bring her in so she can get some shots.
She loves it. She loves it.
Awesome. Well, I really thank you so much
Yeah.
for letting me try this out.
I'll get it dialed in. We'll see if you can hit the red later.
Okay.
I'll put some hotter bullets in it.
All right. All right, yo, gang, y'all don't go far. I'm cleaned up. I got to go out here and finish the transaction, and we're going to talk at the truck. Let's go. All right, so what did y'all think? Y'all saw me shoot the milled Draco, and you watched me shoot the standard Draco. This is not a comparison. This is just showing you what I got. What is it that I like, or what is it that I preferred out of either one of the two? The milled Draco, which is the micro, has a hell of a bigger fireball, and it's a lot heavier than my standard mini. It's really no difference. I enjoy them both to the fullest. But besides that, this was just a range day. I just felt like I said earlier, putting some 7.62 by 39 down range, and that's exactly what we did. Yoke gang, it's dark. It's time to go home. Again, don't forget to check out yokegang.com to get you a black Yoke Gang t-shirt. If you got a white one, you need a black one. And if you haven't purchased one, you slipping. You slipping big time. So make sure you support the channel. Get you a PVC gun bag patch. It's greatly appreciated, like I said earlier. Again, Yoke Gang, I love you guys to pieces. This is where it ends.